Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. This video we're gonna talk about fakeouts and and market resets. When the market resets is gonna go when they go the other way. Um, when was it? There was um, there was a day. This one. This was a major fakeout that people got trapped into. Good thing that it happened so I can talk about it. So the fakeout, we're going to identify it through Fibonacci. That's how we're going to identify the fakeout. So this one was an uptrend. So when there's an uptrend, you guys know that you have to get the lowest point and you need to get the highest point, which at the time was here. So remember, after AGMT, there's the fake out, and then there's the real move, right? I'm gonna go to the 5 minutes, the 15 minutes. Yeah, at the time, this was the high. AGMT, fake out, real move. Now, this trade, you could have left it because this is barely second level. Stop hand and then real move, right? Okay, and then this happened. Why did this happen? There was a major fake out because of there was some sort of resistance or something. I don't remember. But anyway, I don't want to talk about it. This is not price action. But then this happened. Bam! Everybody got out of their position. I got out right here because there was some sort of resistance. I forgot how I got it. There was some sort of resistance right here, and I got out right here, and the market just collapsed. But I'm going to tell you why this was a fake out. Why? Because when it collapsed, it kept going, but it closed on top of the 61.8. What did you learn about Fibonacci levels? If it doesn't close under the 61.8 and retest it, it's a fake out. Let me say that again. If you are on the trend, you're going with the trend, and you see this collapse. Let's say that you got in the trade like right here, right? You got in on the first day, first level, straight away rise, second level stop hunt. Okay, let's say that you got in right here, like this trade. I left it in. This is my demo account, anyways, but on my live account, I got out right here. And I should have got back in, but I didn't. So, because I was done trading. Because this happened at 19 GMT or somewhere around there. Happened like a 14. Yeah, I got out. I don't remember what it was. But I got out of the trade right here. But look at this fake out. Bam, bam. Everybody that got in here, that went in profit right here, or right here got at the last minute, everybody that got their account blown. These people were hella negative. They probably closed their account with negative whatever pips. And look, this is 23 pips lower. So, you know, there were, I mean, the market collapsed from the highest point. It collapsed at 100 pips. Think about it. If you had one standard right here, you were hella negative $1,000. You know? So anyways, the fake out, it works like this. If it doesn't close below the 61.8 on the uptrend or the downtrend, doesn't matter, it's a fake out. It's to get you out of the trade. That's all it is. So this one, it faked down. This one closed under 61.8, but this one closed on top of it. Automatic buy. Obviously, it retested it. See, it retested it and then it kept going up. But it can go out so slow. But if you see something like this and it closes on top, wait for the next candle, the next two candles. If the next candle does this and it closes under and the other candle retested this, then it's going to go down. Okay? But let's say that this one closes on top, this one closes on top. You should wait 2 to 3 candles for confirmation. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam. But this one closed on top. So that was an automatic buy. You know, I don't think I was watching. I think I went to sleep because this happened hella early in my time. I think it was like 3, no, it was like 4, 5 a.m. Because I remember I got out and then I went to sleep. Then that's what happened. That's a fake out. If it closes on top of the 61.8, as long as the market keeps closing on top of the 61.8, 50 or 38, then it's a fake out. You can take it, you know, the right way. Now, if it's a reset, let's say that this is a market reset, right? So market reset would have done this. Would it close right here, or maybe another candle would have closed lower, or it will have retested the 61.8. Then that's a market reset on the second level. Okay? So that's market resets and market fakeouts. So if this happens to you and you are on a trade, I mean, you're supposed to get in like right here, you know? Second level stop hunt. This level holds for 30 to 90 minutes. It was beautiful. But then it dropped 25 pips, I believe. Yeah, 22 pips. Dropped 22 pips. But then this level, you see this was the lowest point with the last red candle, the lowest point. And then this one wicked it, close on top. This one was at some point was red, but close on top, automatic buy, bam. So your entry would have been right here anyways. So right here. So you would have gone negative like 27 pips. Not a big deal because we are perfectionists, you know. We get in on confirmation. But then let's say that this one would have closed on top, you would have put another buy right here and then just write it, you know. So that's a fake out and that's a reset. Okay. So I'm gonna talk about another stuff in the next video. So that's it for fake outs and resets based on the Fibonacci level. Okay. If you have any questions, you can always let me know, and then I will go over again and again with you. Okay. Thanks.